everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to FK1 Family channel. So today we have my special guest again, Baba Ijebu. So before we start the video, let me quickly appreciate our subscribers. Thank you so much. Our new and old subscribers, let me just put you guys together. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate you, your comments, your likes, your shares. We really do love you guys. Thank you so much. So today I have my husband here, Baba Ijebu, as you all know already. Today is going to be a story time. We're about to tell you how we met, how everything started, and we are motivated because it's going to be our 14 years, anniversary of knowing, not marriage anniversary, but 14 years of knowing each other. 14 years of relationship, I think. 14 years of relationship. So we're about to tell you the story, how we met, how the love actually started, and everything that went down. Before we start picking all that stories, but let's just give you the story of how we met. It's a story time. So, I won't tell you how I met him because he met me. He found me. So he's going to start the story, then I'm going to, finish up definitely. So over to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for having me. It's been a while.
Yes, and before it starts, what did you notice, guys? We've been battling this thing for the past 14 years. I've never ever tried to join his club. I will never do that. And I will never do that. So I am Chelsea, proudly Chelsea for over 20 years now. And it's Liverpool àbí kí ló pè rẹ̀ láti ìgbà yẹn gbọ̀ngbọ̀n kò dẹ̀ kàn wá. Kò dẹ̀ kàn wá. Liverpool àbí kí ló pè rẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ kàn wá. So
huge. Pedigree
kini. We are doing very great. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yẹn dẹ̀ ló matter.
No.
Yẹn dẹ̀ ló matter.
Champions League.
So guys, let's go right to the video before I spoil his mood, because this Liverpool, my husband can do anything for Liverpool. So let's go and undo for Liverpool. So let's go right into the video, guys. Over to you, Temi.
See my liver bed for the first time, first and foremost. Okay, I think the question you are asking me is to talk about how we met.
Yes, where we met, how we met, how you found me.
To flash back to 2007.
Yes.
Okay.
This fits me.
It's a tough lane anyway.
It has been a battle, guys.
I have to go back memory lane because
yeah.
I can remember that time I was doing my industrial training in Lagos. So there was this particular strike. Everybody were all at home. So in the evening like this, it's been an unusual thing for me to be at home by that time. So I was at home, I was outside, and then I was like, saw this small baby, because she has small stature that time. Now me pump am like this.
Yeah, this story is sweet.
So I was like, who is this one now? Going like this. And on Judy, that small yash, shaking it like this, tak. And me, you cannot let that kind of a thing go. I can't. You
saw me on the street, or you saw me where?
I saw you on the street first.
Okay.
So at first I was like, okay, where is she coming from?
Which area?
Oh, what's the name of the street again?
I should help you.
Animation
in Ijesha.
Okay.
Ijesha Tedo, Lagos. Okay.
So I was like, okay. So I don't know how I got her number that day, but I can remember.
Wale, you can't remember anything.
I was with your brothers that time.
No, Wale, you can't remember. You have jumped.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Help me.
You said you saw me on the street. I don't know about that.
Help me.
But I knew somebody usually look at me from their window. Their balcony was facing our own window. My room window.
Now I remember. Now I remember. Okay. There's one thing that I was kind of confused
You were not looking at me. I noticed somebody. I love. No, wait. Let me just talk.
Okay.
We are saying it together. I love music a lot, and anytime I hear any voice, like I want to know where that voice is coming from, who is singing. So every time I'm cooking, because my kitchen was facing their corridor, so anytime I'm cooking, that voice will just come, and it's either it's downstairs or he's spreading clothes at the corridor, or he's just staying there singing. Wale can sing, get my way. So at the point I will hear his voice, or later I will hear his aunt's voice, I was just confident. I just forgot about what I don't call him.
Okay.
I don't care.
Okay, now I remember what you are trying to say. Me, okay, I think we live adjacent to each other.
Yes.
So, and for me, I saw 3 women there.
My mom.
Your mom of blessed memory, you, and then
my brother's girlfriend.
yes, and I'm like, okay, the mother, I can see clearly that, okay, this one now woman of someone with age, I can see clearly. But later I will see the other lady and I will see this one. I will see what is the confusion that starts? So what is this? So I took my time to, the moment I see any other person apart from my mom, I check very well. I look very well.
But how did you find me on the street and you cannot recognize me through the window?
On the street, you know, for me, I have a problem. If I don't have interest in you, I don't recognize you.
Yes, Wale do that, yeah.
If I don't have any
Till
business
now.
with you, I don't recognize you.
Till now.
So I think that's the problem. So I don't know how I managed to get your number anyway.
No, you told me, okay, we've been looking at each other. You just look at me and I'll just remove my face. So I already knew who was always singing. I already recognized that this is the person that's always singing. So that day he just told me that he just summoned courage. I don't know what gave him that courage. Just told me that I should come. Can I come downstairs? And that was like I think it's first week of June. I remember. First week of June, yes. I remember. No, it's May. I just did my birthday. I had a party. And you were
that.
Yes. I had a party, and after the party, a week after the party, because you know my mom always celebrates my birthday for me. I had a party, and a week after the party, he told me, "Can I just come downstairs? That you want to see me? Because that day he saw that this is the person I've been watching. Well, can you come?"
It's confusing.
So when I came, I said, Kilode. He said, I wanted him to call me Gon because he can sing. I wanted, today I'm saying this, I wanted him to call me like, I've been watching this person that is singing. Cruise on So I wanted him, when he called me, I didn't hesitate because nobody can call me at that moment. He knows. Mama, fresh, everything is there. So, but that song attracted me at first, and I've heard them call Wale, and that the name, they always call his name. They will call his name in that house, or maybe when he's just doing something, they say Wale, or say Ma. So already I was familiar with his name already. So when he told me to come, can I just turn? I came to our gate and he said, how are you? No. I started talking to me that, can I give him my number? I gave him my number. That was around May or something. We were just friends, you know. But when it was June, I think I pop up the question on the 15th of June. No, first week of June.
Okay.
He started saying, okay, I want to see me. We started writing a lot of messages. Wale started writing a lot. Wale know the right message for me again. To reply, gonna wahala. To pick call, gonna wahala. Wale started writing a lot of messages. Like, I find it so interesting because I'm a very playful person. I'm a joy giver. Anywhere I am, you will laugh and laugh. So he started, and I was already, at that moment, I was already used to his family. I go there, I just, you know, they were already used to me. So on the 15th, was it 15th?
15th, yes.
Yes, 15th, he decided to ask me out. And I don't have a boyfriend now. I said, okay, let's see how it goes. Let's see. So his birthday was on the 22nd. So I decided, yes, now.
You decided to surprise me with...
I decided to surprise him with a cake. And you know, that 15th, I said yes, was maybe on a maybe level. It was not, you know, it was not on a solid ground, you know. But on the 22, when I gave him a cake, it felt like, everything has already happened. Like, but in my heart, it was 15th because I knew, immediately I studied him for a few
Bad
time.
man.
No, he's not a bad man. He's a very nice person. I like people that reason very fast and that don't talk much unnecessarily. He plays, he carries people along. He's very intelligent, but he does not just talk and mingle. And I don't see him with other boys on the streets.
It's because I don't have time.
He does not. Yes, that is the kind of person I want. I knew he does not.
We wake up 5 o'clock in the morning to get to Victoria Island at that time. I have to.
And that is the kind of person I want. That will not have time to
me because I close by 6 o'clock.
Yes.
So by the time I get home, it's already late.
And I already studied the kind of life you want to live. You know, when you talk to people for like maybe 3 weeks, and you already feel that kind of I must get better. I must be great. I must make it. And he does not even care about. And then this Yahoo stuff was raining. Wale does not even care.
No. That time I was.
Yeah. All Wale wanted to do was just to be great, just to do better, just to he knew where he was coming from. And I wanted that kind of person, like Mobito Timbo, like we can start something. And I don't have a boyfriend. I never even know, you know. So when we started the relationship, like, you know, play, and I just got him a cake on his birthday. Then and so everybody just started to call me Yawo. Boom! That's why I turned Yawo. I've been Yawo, and I've been loved by his family. No be today, don't they? I've been Yawo immediately. I've been Yawo Wale for the past 14 years.
I can remember even me when I'm away from work. But before I got home like this, boom, as I'm just opening the door like this, I was just bumping into her. What are you doing here? Your sister called me.
I was already doing Yawo. Don't even.
I was just bumping into her. Boom.
The relationship started like that, and it has been so good. And what actually spawned this relationship is that guy was singing on the other side. If he does not,
I can't even remember if I could sing anymore now.
No, Wale can sing. You can still sing.
I don't know.
There's this video I've not edited that you were using my name to sing. It was so nice.
Okay, so let's go to where French sing or idols or whatever. So
that was how we met. We met like God wanted it, and we started our relationship. Yeah. And till today, it's going to be 14 years. By the time you are watching this video, we're already celebrating 14 years anniversary, and it's going to be rosy, you know. And that is how we met. And it has
how
been...
do we manage it to this extent?
Oh, God of mercy, it was rough.
How do I manage you to this extent?
How do I manage every circumstances that come with this relationship to this extent?
No, how am I able to manage you to this extent?
It is God, because I'm not that kind of easy person. I'm the last born, and growing up, you know, I went through a lot. And when he met me, I was just healing from a lot of things.
How are you able to manage me to this extent?
Wale, I am still managing you.
So who is managing who out of the two of us?
What you manage me, you have taken faith. But me, I'm still managing you. Wale, my husband.
So can you imagine now? I'm now she's now my manager.
Case study. You cannot graduate. Case study, but this man will come. We just come for you, like you will not even remember the things that he has done to you that got you angry. That's the kind of person he is, and that's the first thing I saw in him. Like I might decide not to eat in my own house for 1 week, and Wale don't let me try. Wale will be, because I was battling with ulcer then. Wale will be wanting that just to get.
I will spoon feed her,
and I know that this guy is. Then he does not have money. He will still go all the way just to get something done. At a point, I had to just be putting it on pause. Like, no. To get the result, you should stop.
I think for those people that know us on that street, it wouldn't be surprised if
no,
they
won't
that,
be. My best friend Akim. If you are watching this video,
they won't be surprised if they see that. Okay,
we eventually got married.
No, last I don't collect any picking for your.
Yeah, no, they won't be surprised.
It's not gonna be a surprise.
Morning, afternoon, night. We are no. And when I met him, it was, I think it was
Was what?
when it was 1 year. We started our relationship. I lost my mom. I had to.
Okay.
It was 1 year, yeah.
Yeah, it was 1 year.
It was 1 year. So I had to leave that area to go start all over again. So we started a long distance relationship. Sometimes we might not see 4 months, 5 months.
I think the distance already came when I left for school.
When you left for school, yes.
And then I can remember 7 days you came, boom.
Wale, stop! Don't say that story. It's not all about how we met. Stop! One man, stop.
She came.
Stop! And that story get reason. That story get reason. You people know that. No, I will not say it in this way. It's going to be another video, and it's going to be a very raw video, and it has a reason. So that was how we met. We met the way God wanted it, and here we are. And thanks to his family that made him come to Lagos. If not,
no, I chose to come to Lagos.
You choose to come, okay. But you had to stay with.
I had to stay with my uncle.
So I'm thanking your uncle for making me meet you now.
Call him on the phone and thank him now.
No, I always respect him now. I always thank him.
Call him on the
phone. You have given me the best gift in this life ever.
I think
we fight a lot.
You should be grateful
from the onset. We fight, we quarrel. You know, I'm a baby, and he at the point
I'm that kind of a no-nonsense guy.
No-nonsense guy, like you. But at the point, he would just say sorry. But when we got married, that sorry was not his thing again. He wanted grow up. But you go on level girlfriend. You are now a wife. He wanted more, a woman. He wanted more. But I was used to that. How okay, love is sweet. Or when it comes to relationship. Love is sweet. I felt loved. He showed me love. He gave me everything I wanted. I remember when I lost my phone. He just removed his SIM. Oshemi film. And he just bought the phone. Like somebody worked and collected salary and bought the phone. He just removed his time and gave me. The next 3 days, they stole the phone again. Probably had to look for money to buy me another phone.
Okay.
No, that alone. No, anytime I run away, I will run back.
You're on my neck. On my neck like this.
I needed a phone. My phone have been a phone person.
He choked. That time, imagine you choke never start to the rain that time. But he choked me.
No, I was crying. I was so happy. And I will be incommunicado. Yes, I will be incommunicado. So I be police when I'm in relationship. I'm a police. I will call you. I will save money to buy credit, 2,000 naira. I will call you. The way to shake me,
police my life.
I will call you from Ijesha to Aguda. When you get to where you get Ipori, CMS, and when you get to the office, when it is lunchtime, Moraye, I usually call. So when the phone money opportunity, I collected his phone. He was using one small phone. The next 3 days, they stole the phone again. He got me another phone. So that alone, you should know that that kind of man is supposed to be kept like, need lobby.
I know you since the days of blue Samsung face.
Yeah, I was using one Samsung blue. My mom got
Sony Ericsson that time.
And later I jumped to Sony Ericsson. Later, God has been wonderful. Yes. That was how we met. I'm so surprised my husband did not remember a lot of things, and
I can't remember a lot of things.
That is
but waiting I know, be say this woman did my pocket. And I not go spend her. I keep on there. Boom.
He was a very, very, very caring and loving guy till date, but you know, things change.
You want us to go back
marriage
to those days?
change. I want to go alone. I want to go
be
alone.
Young again
go
now.
to the beach, you know.
Be young again now.
No,
where will you put all those?
No, they will grow up now. I'm waiting for them to grow up alone. Love in your dream, but no. I'm telling you, love in your dream. So let me just end this video.
That's why you don't have another baby.
No, I will try. No, Kino.
Try.
Guys, don't answer him. We are going to have another baby. Even if we don't want to have, we have to have for YouTube now, you know.
For YouTube?
For YouTube now.
You guys, if she got pregnant, you are going to do the work.
Because my pregnancy is not here. I don't cook, I don't sweep, I don't do anything. Don't say that one.
I won't say it's that
I don't bath. I don't bath.
Also,
I'll wait for him till he comes back.
You have to bath.
And I'm not wicked. I cannot do it. Sometimes I crawl on the
you
floor.
vomit.
I vomit a lot. I spit a lot.
Okay.
I crawl. And sometimes I cannot stand up for days. I will crawl.
Leave the story for another
So that's why he's just begging me not to have another baby. So let's end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and had fun.
Thank you so much.
We just want you to get to know us better, and we have other other stories to bring to you guys. We have a lot of stories.
By the way, we still have one story to do about Liverpool, Chelsea.
Oh God, Lord.
Whoever knows the history,
Lord.
will win something. We get more trophy than you do. I have more trophy than you do.
Thank you so much for watching. We love you guys. We are going to see you in another video.
See you in another video. Peace
Ciao.
out.
It's the Chelsea season. Chelsea season.
Just second Champions League. We won 6 already.
Bele.
Now you know.